Welcome back and welcome to another geometry do homework with me. This is tangent to circles. Our first practice is to determine if line AB is tangent to the circles. If line AB is tangent to the circle, this angle BA, let me give another name, C, must be 90 degrees. If you want to be 90 degrees, guess what? This BC squared must be equals AC squared plus AB squared. Is it? We're going to check. If it's yes, then it's tangent. All right, let's take a look. What is BC? This is 12, so BC is 8 plus 12 squared. Is it? What is AC? Did not label for you, but we know that all the radii in the same circle must be congruent. So if you're 12 AC, I'm also 12. 12 squared. AB give to us 16. Is it? The answer is yes. If it's yes, then it is a tangent. All right, the remaining 2, 3, 4 questions are exactly the same. You're going to check if this is a right triangle or not. If yes, tangent. If it's not, no, not tangent. All right, let us continue. We're still using a squared plus b squared equals c squared for question 5. Find the segment length indicated. Assume that lines which appear to be tangent are tangent. All right, assume which appear to be tangent. That tells us this is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, this is a right triangle. And how do you find, where are you going? Okay, question 5, come back. All right, and how do we find the missing length? The missing length is B. We know A, we know C. How do you find B? C squared minus A squared. Done. That's it. All right, I will give you a calculation and the remaining practice to you.